Hello there everyone, my name is Pritam Negi and I welcome you all to my channel. In this video of Creo from Zero series, we're going to be talking about Extrude tool in PTC Creo. Now those guys who are new to my channel, let me just tell you, we are covering the Creo videos from very basic installation to first time setting, and we also have covered sketch part. So we are covering each and every tool. If you are interested in checking, then you can check my videos in my playlist. Also, I will be putting the link in description below. Now let us jump to the topic, which is the Creo Extrude tool. So I will be covering the basic features of Extrude in this video, and then we will be talking about several features of Extrude in our upcoming video. Now let's move toward the interface, and here you can see, click on new, then part. Okay, now we can see our datum planes. If you can't see your datum plane, then click here in graphic toolbar and click here, select all. Now you can create extrude in two ways. First one is you can create a sketch first and then extrude. Another method is to create extrude and you can create an embedded sketch. So let's start with sketch first and extrude later method. Click on sketch, select the plane, click sketch. Now make your entity. After you make your entity, click OK. Now click on extrude and select your entity and provide the appropriate value. Click OK, and you can see our extrude process got completed. Now let's just talk about it in a more detail. We can also say about this extrude as a dependent extrude because the extrude is totally dependent on its parent, and the parent here is the sketch 1. So if we make any kind of change in sketch 1, for example, I'm gonna make it 200, so you can see our extrude also updated. You can also break the dependency on the sketch by going to edit definition, and now click on placement and unlink. When you click on unlink, you have just make your sketch or extrude independent of sketch 1. Now even if I make a change on this sketch, our extrude will not get affected. As you can see here, our sketch changed, but our part does not change even after regenerating or refreshing, because now for our part there is a separate sketch which is also known as embedded sketch. And if we want to change our extrude, then we can edit this embedded sketch, for example 180. Now you can see our embedded sketch is different than this independent sketch. In our next video, we're gonna be seeing how we can create extrude with embedded sketch. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like our video, then hit like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, then you can provide your valuable feedback in comment down below. I will see you soon. Till then, bye bye.